today to begin saving money on your energy bill. Second, you'll see how I chopped my monthly energy bill all the way down to zero. And third, I'll show you how you can do the exact same thing with parts from your local hardware store and combining them with a few items that can easily be found online. So if you feel that a 10-minute investment is worth learning everything I just mentioned, then stick around. Okay, so how did all of this begin? I'm a 41-year-old engineer and never thought I'd find myself one day using the internet to teach people how they can easily create their own solar panels and begin saving money. But like most things in life, one thing leads to another, and we soon find ourselves in a place we never imagined. So even though this video is quite recent, my story actually began a few years ago when my company downsized and I found myself without a job. Thankfully, my wife and I had about $7,000 in savings, but with a mortgage to pay and plenty of monthly bills, I knew that money wouldn't be lasting very long. I needed something fast. Now, I'm a firm believer in networking, so I put the word out to every engineer I knew that I was looking for a job. But 2 months later, I was still without a single interview. Meanwhile, my wife began finding ways to cut costs. So out went the cable, fitness club memberships, frequent restaurant visits, and even the Netflix subscription. That one hurt the most. We soon realized, however, there's only so many cuts a family can make before there's really nothing left to cut. We needed income. It was about this time I got a call from a friend that said he can get me a job installing solar panels. By this point, I wasn't picky and figured I could still look around for something in the meanwhile, so I took the job. I mean, money's money, right? So there I am in the middle of summer installing solar panels when the idea hits me. What strategies could I implement besides turning off the lights to start saving money on my electric bill? So I did some research and found there's a ton of things online, but I boiled it down to these 6 items. Number 1, install a programmable thermostat. The cost is about $50, but will save you about 20% on your heating and cooling bill, so it's quite worth it. Number 2, lower your water heater temperature from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This small change can reduce your water heating bill by 10%. The only time I don't recommend doing this is if your dishwasher is without a temperature booster. Third, instead of using the hot water setting to wash clothes, try using it on warm or even cold. Most people I talk with don't even notice the change. My recommendation is to try it first. Even switching from hot to warm will make a significant impact on your bill over time. Fourth, keep your freezer full. If there's any empty space in your freezer, you're working your refrigerator harder than it should. Now, this doesn't mean you have to go out and buy more food because you can easily and quickly solve this problem by taking 2-liter bottles, filling them with water, and then using those to fill in the gaps of loose space. Not only does this allow your freezer to operate more efficiently, but there's also the additional benefits of keeping your food from spoiling in the event of a power outage. It's truly a win-win. Fifth, focus on using lamps instead of lighting an entire room. Now, the more you can focus your lighting on the immediate area you're working in, the more energy you'll save and conserve. And finally, shut off those screensavers. A screensaver that shows any image on the screen does not save energy. It actually takes energy. So make sure you put your computer to sleep or just turn it off if you're not going to be using it for a while. Now, these are the exact strategies my wife and I began implementing and still use till this day. But here's the thing. Saving some money here or there, a few $100s a year, just wasn't enough for me. I wanted more. And that's when I got my second idea. What would it take to get completely off the grid? Forget changing light bulbs and skimping on Christmas lights. What if I could become my own energy company? I figured I could buy the solar panels that I was installing and somehow work out a deal with the company and put some extra hours in and, quote unquote, work off the debt over time. I mean, how expensive could these panels really be? Well, I was shocked. Did you know a basic solar package and installation could easily run well over $20,000? Not exactly an easy purchase, right? I mean, we're practically talking about the price of a car, and the savings don't begin to kick in until years from now. But that's when the obvious answer I had been missing finally dawned on me. What's stopping me from building my own solar panels? I've got 10 years of experience as an engineer under my belt, and a cell phone full of brilliant friends. I'm sure I could figure something out. So I went to work. I decided to start with a small goal of generating enough energy to save just $50 a month. So with a couple weeks of research and the help of a few of my fellow engineers, I realized everything I needed to harness the free and abundant energy of the sun could be found at my local hardware stores and online. But the best thing of all is that it could be put together over a single weekend. That was all the information I needed to know to make the no-brainer decision to purchase the necessary supplies and get to work. I'll never forget. It was on a Friday afternoon that I started, and by late Sunday evening, I was putting the final touches on my first set of panels. I was ready to see what would happen next. Well, over the next 2 months, 2 amazing things took place. First, in month 1, I cut my energy bill by $62. That was $12 above and beyond my original goal. This was all the proof I needed to see that this stuff actually works. By my 4th month of using solar, I was able to take an average bill of $237 all the way down to 0. That's right, I said 0. So what about you? How would an extra $100 or even $200 a month help your family's budget? What if your electric bill could actually be completely wiped out? What would you do with the extra cash? Save it? Invest it? Put it towards your child's college fund? Or what about those credit cards? Did you realize that paying an extra $50 a month towards a debt of $5,000 can save you 6 years of payments? Well, once the word got out that I was officially living off the grid and was saving hundreds each and every month, I was quickly bombarded with questions and comments such as, is this legal? Is it dangerous? Michael, can I still do this without a technical background? Now, I can appreciate each and every one of these questions because, frankly, I had the exact same ones before I began exploring the idea of solar. But the most important question of all, the big one, as I like to call it, what kind of savings can I realistically expect on my power bill? If you have, for example, a small 1 kilowatt system, which is quite simple and easy to create, this will produce approximately 5 kilowatt hours per day. Now, let's say, for example, you're paying 15 cents per kilowatt, which will vary depending on the state you live in. A 1 kilowatt system will save you approximately 75 cents a day. Now, a daily saving of 75 cents doesn't sound like much, right? That's only $273 a year. But remember, that's just from one small 1 kilowatt setup. Now let's see what happens when we increase this system to a decent 5 kilowatt system. By applying the very same metrics, we're looking at an annual savings of $1,365. And that's not even taking into consideration the rising cost of electricity, which can easily double in the next 5 to 10 years. Now think of that savings multiplied over the next 5 to 10 years or even 20 years. Along with the strategy of adding 1 new kilowatt system a year, the savings are just endless and the numbers are massive. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm definitely a numbers man, and numbers don't lie. Well, it didn't take long for these same friends and family to turn from skeptical into curious once they finally heard those numbers. And then one day it finally happened. A friend offered to pay me to spend a weekend with him so I could teach him how to do the same. Pay me? Of course. It wasn't long before my one-person class quickly transformed into small groups of people coming over to my house on Saturday afternoons so I could show them exactly what to buy and how to build their first energy-producing panel. Every person I taught not only became a solar user, but also a visible testimonial to their friends and family too. I began to realize it wouldn't be long before I could no longer keep up with the demand. There's only so much Michael to go around. I realized the only way to continue spreading the energy-saving gospel was to figure out a way to duplicate myself. And there's no better way than creating a training program. That being said, I went straight to work and put together the most complete and comprehensive do-it-yourself solar panel training so that anyone could do this. Introducing Earth for Energy, your complete guide to saving money and going green. By taking this training out of my garage and onto the internet, I've been able to help thousands of people achieve energy independence, and I'd like to do the same for you. So here's a quick overview of what you're getting. First, we'll begin with solar education. I think it's important you understand some of the basics behind solar before we even get started on building your first panel. I purposefully designed this course to be just as if you and I spent the weekend together building your panels. And since I wanted to do it right, I invested a good amount of money to produce 7 professional videos, which will give you a strong foundation into how solar works. The series alone is approximately 2 hours in length and is instrumental for your introduction to solar. You'll be learning how solar is generated, how it is captured, and how it is channeled into your home to power all of your electrical needs. In Section 2, we'll begin a step-by-step process to help you build your very first panel for under $100. You'll be amazed at how easy and fun this is going to be. Section 3 consists of 3 resources to assist you in creating a customized solar strategy for your home. These include the Solar Calculator, which is specifically designed to show you exactly how many panels you'll need to power your home along with what size battery bank to get completely off the grid. Now, if none of this makes sense right now, don't worry, it soon will. Then there's installation. You'll learn how to properly install your panels like the pros. This lesson alone is worth hundreds. Then electrical wiring plans. These plans will help you safely connect your solar panels and start feeding energy to a storage battery. With everything you're getting today, you'll soon be up and running with your very own money-saving solar panels in little time. Here are just a few samples of the emails I get from happy users who have gone solar by leveraging the Earth for Energy system. Hi Michael, thanks for the terrific product. I love the video instructions. It really makes the product much easier. I've completed 2 panels and am currently working on my 3rd. The Solar Calculator says this covers 40% of my power bill, which is saving me about $80 a quarter. Jeremy C. Hey Earth for Energy guys. Today I finished my first panel using an alloy frame and Perspex backing. This is a much better quality panel than I expected. Some guides tell you to make a wooden frame, but I don't think this would last very long. I'm glad you used Perspex and alloy. This is top quality panel. David S. Hello. Thanks for providing such a detailed guide. I was worried it wouldn't be too hard for me to follow, but you've really made this for newbies. I wouldn't hesitate in recommending Earth for Energy to my friends. Sarah Kale. These are just a few of the hundreds of emails I get all the time from the 100,000 plus happy users in over 23 different countries. Trust me, it's easier than you think to make the solar switch. So by now I can imagine you're asking, okay Michael, so how much is the Earth for Energy system? Well, let me answer that with a question. How much is it worth to save $500, $100, or even $150 a month for the rest of your life? And put that towards something you've always wanted? How much is it worth to save thousands of dollars by doing this project yourself? And finally, what is it worth to have me by your side showing you what to buy, how to build it, how to set it up, and what mistakes to avoid? Got a price in your head? Well, before I shock you with my price, I'm first going to explain why I've priced it this way. I'm on a mission. A mission to get this powerful, life-changing information into as many hands as possible. Because why should anyone or any family be giving away their hard-earned money month after month for something they can create themselves? This is bigger than saving a few dollars. It's about creating independence. And it's for these reasons that you can get access to the entire Earth for Energy system, including PDF plans and the training videos, for just one easy payment of $49.97. Like I said, there's no catch. It's not too good to be true, it's true. I just want to make this as easy as possible and as affordable as possible. Now, I don't know about you, but I would find it pretty ironic if I offered to save you money by asking you first to pay me hundreds of dollars. I would also hate to have you wait a week or two to have this training course shipped to you, which is why I've invested the extra time and money to have everything made instantly available to you. That means you can have instant access to the PDFs, the plans, and the detailed training videos in just seconds from now. But hold on, I have something else special for you. Because so many of my customers are looking for additional ways to save money and do their part for the environment, I've decided to include my complete wind turbine training program for free. Information on how to generate energy from the wind easily sells for $60 online, but would be extremely difficult to understand and extremely expensive to create. That's why I decided to simplify everything into an easy-to-follow guide that will allow you to build your first turbine for under $100 from Simple Parts at your local hardware store. Once again, this is my free gift to you. So let's recap. Today you're getting complete access to the entire Earth for Energy solar panel do-it-yourself training and your wind turbine bonus for just one simple payment of $49.97. Now here's the thing. I have complete confidence that the quality and results of this course are so outstanding that I'm extending a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. That places all the risk on my shoulders, but frankly, I don't consider that a risk at all. It just makes good business sense. So you've now got two options. You can choose to begin generating monthly savings by clicking the Add to Cart button below this video, or you can leave this site and continue to overpay on your electric bill each and every month. The choice is yours. I suggest making the right choice and choosing energy independence. So go ahead, click the button, and I truly look forward to working with you soon.